about JJ?
You want to hear a story about JJ?
Yes.
When JJ was in my belly? You tell me a story.
Once upon a time, I was in your belly.
Once upon a time you were in my belly? Yes.
Once upon a time, I was in your belly.
You were. And once upon a time, baby J was in my belly too.
Good little story about JJ he was a born mommy.
When he was what?
Can tell a story about JJ when he was a born mommy.
When he was born?
Yes.
He came out of my belly. And he said, "Hi, kissy sissy." And you gave him a kiss on his head.
You gave him a kiss on his head.